Teachers, educators, principals, any role that you have in education, I want to say good morning. I came on the other day with a teacher coach moment and I talked about how I see you. In this moment of seeing you, I want to talk about how important obedience is. And when we think about obedience and we think about just going to work and all the things that are the demands that's placed on us, you may think I'm talking about obedience in that way, but no, I'm talking about obedience to you. Obedience is better than sacrifice. But what does that mean in regards to you? It is so important that you are obedient and making sure that you're setting those standards, setting those boundaries, making sure that your boundaries are not crossed, especially in what we do. Because the first thing that you need to do in the journey of in this rebuilding process, it is so important that we fall in love with ourselves, and betrayal from others begin when you betray yourself. Only time someone can do something that makes you feel uncomfortable or make you feel that you are being mistreated, or I guess you would say injustices come within yourself and it causes you to be uneasy and not be your best version, is when you allow the betrayal. But it first starts with you because you said a yes. Whether it was verbally or you agreed to something or you submitted to something that you know didn't sit well with yourself. So I say again, be obedient to yourself. Be obedient. Obedience is better than sacrifice. Obedient and falling in love with yourself and not betraying yourself. I'm always rooting for you. Today we say anxiety must flee. We reject anything that does not put you in a place of wholeness and completeness and divine alignment. I'm rooting for you. Have a good day.